Hello kids, how are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter first. Functions of words in a sentence. Okay, let's start now this chapter. Number first है, we discuss the parts of a speech. Okay, we use words to express our thoughts. जब हम अपनी thoughts को express करते हैं, these words are divided into different kinds of classes. तब हम उनको दो भिन्न भागों में बांटते हैं. According to the functions they do in a sentence. Okay. These different kinds of the words are called part of a speech. Okay. They are 8 in numbers, namely the noun, pronoun, adjective, the verb, adverb, the preposition, the conjunction, and the interjections. Okay. These are 8 types. Not. Words are जैसे हमारे पास a, an, and the are the adjectives, but they are denoted as the distinct part of the speech, namely articles. Articles होते हैं जैसे a, an, and the are always joined to nouns. ये हमेशा noun से जुड़े होते हैं. Okay. Number first we discuss a noun. A noun is the name of anything. किसी भी का भी नाम हो उसी को हम noun कहते हैं. Example, boy, Delhi, book, stone, sweetness, etc. Next है pronoun. A pronoun is used instead of a noun to avoid repetitions. यहाँ तक कि बार बार नाम का प्रयोग ना करके उसकी जगह पर जिन शब्दों का प्रयोग किया जाता है उसी को pronoun कहते हैं. For example है Raymond is here, tell him to do, to come. Okay, next adjective. An adjective qualifies a noun or a pronoun. जब noun और pronoun को qualifies किया जाता है उसी को हम adjective कहते हैं. It adds something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. ये वास्तव में noun और pronoun का क्या करता है? अर्थ बताता है. For example, good man, 4 wise and red pen. चलिए नेक्स्ट है वर्ब. वर्ब क्या है? अ वर्ब इज अ वर्ड. वर्ब एक वर्ड है. अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स विच से समथिंग अबाउट ए सब्जेक्ट. जो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कुछ कहा जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मुकुल इज अ ब्रेव बॉय. मुकुल कैसा लड़का है? ब्रेव है, बहादुर लड़का है. द गर्ल हैज अ बिग बुक. लड़की के पास एक बड़ी किताब है. उसी तरह नमन गोज टू स्कूल. नमन स्कूल जाता है. ओके. नाउ एडवर्ब है एंड एडवर्ब मॉडिफाइज अ वर्ब. जो एडवर्ब होती है वो किसको? वर्ब को मॉडिफाइज करती है एंड एडजेक्टिव को और अनदर एडवर्ब को. जनरली इट आंसर द क्वेश्चंस व्हेन, वेयर, हाउ, ऑफ्टन, हाउ लॉन्ग, how fast, why, etc. फॉर एग्जाम्पल है ही डिड माई वर्क ऑनेस्टली. तो उसने मेरा कार्य ईमानदारी के साथ किया. उसी तरह ही रेनफॉल्स वह तेज भागा. शी इज वेरी वीक. वह बहुत कमजोर है. ओके. नेक्स्ट है प्रीपोजिशन. अ प्रीपोजिशन इज अ वर्ड विच इज यूज्ड बिफोर अ नाउन और अ प्रोनाउन. जब नाउन और प्रोनाउन से पहले जिन शब्दों का प्रयोग किया जाता है उन्हीं को हम प्रीपोजिशन कहते हैं. तो सो इट्स रिलेशन टू सम वर्ड्स जिनमें कुछ शब्दों को जोड़ा जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही लिव्स इन मुंबई. वह मुंबई में रहता है. शी इज फाउंड ऑफ रीडिंग स्टोरीज. उसे रीडिंग स्टोरीज पढ़ना पसंद है. नेक्स्ट है कंजक्शन. A conjunction is a joining word. Conjunction एक joining word है. It joins words. इनमें शब्द, phrases और sentences को जोड़ा जाता है. For example, तनु and मनु go to school. तनु और मनु school जाती हैं. उसी तरह I honor him because he is noble. I honor him because क्योंकि he is noble. Okay. नेक्स्ट है इंटरजेक्शन. एंड इंटरजेक्शन इज द वर्ब इज. इंटरजेक्शन वह शब्द है एक्सप्रेस सडन फीलिंग और इमोशन जिनमें सडन फीलिंग और इमोशन क्रिएट होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हुर्रा, We have won. हम जीत चुके हैं. Now same words used as different part of a speech. Words are classified according to their work. यहाँ पर हम कार्य को अपने according divide करते हैं. They do and not be their appearance only. Okay? The same and the one words can be used. यहाँ पर हम उसी तरह जब शब्दों का प्रयोग करते हैं different part of speech, तो उसी को हम part of speech कहते हैं. Okay? Study the following examples हैं. जैसे about का यूज करते हैं हम एडवर्ब में भी और प्रीपोजिशन में. एडवर्ब में करते हैं he was moving about. प्रीपोजिशन में करते हैं he is about him. Okay? नेक्स्ट above का यूज है नाउन. नाउन में करते हैं it is raining from the above. एडजेक्टिव में कहते हैं you will like the above lions. एडवर्ब में करते हैं learn the lions written above. प्रीपोजिशन में करते हैं is always above such wrong deeds. Okay? नेक्स्ट है आफ्टर का एडजेक्टिव है this was his after thought. प्रीपोजिशन है he is in after the thief. Edward he died early but his brother lived long after. उसी तरह कंजक्शन है I want to school after he had gone. Next है all. Noun में he lost his all in gambling. Adjective है all boys of the class were successfully. Pronoun है all spoke against the leaders. और adverb है clothes are found all over the world. आगे before है. before adverb में यूज करते हैं I had seen him before. Conjunction में करते हैं had he had gone out before you came. Preposition है he came here before the fixed time. Next है better. better का noun है always respect your betters. Adjective है you have a better book. Verb है I shall better my prospects. Okay? Adverb है good knows better. Okay? चलिए but का यूज है pronoun में there was no man but wept. उसी तरह प्रीपोजिशन का है none but Sarah got the prize. कंजक्शन है he worked hard but failed. और एडवर्ब है I have but few friends. चलिए अब नेक्स्ट है इसी का एडवर्ब he stood close by. चलिए by का यूज है प्रीपोजिशन का यूज है how did he come by this point. नाउन है this meeting has come to a close. क्लोज का है क्लोज है this meeting has come to close. एडजेक्टिव है Harry and John are close friends. वर्ब है the office will close tomorrow. And adverb है look they are walking close to each others. Okay? चलिए now deep का है adjective it is a deep well. Noun है the boat sank in the deep. Adverb है his tools were deep into well. Enough का है noun it has enough to do your work. Adjective है he has enough time to finish his work. And adverb है he is rich enough to have a car. चलिए either है adjective का हरिद्वार is situated on either bank of river. Conjunction है he is either a fool or a knave. Pronoun है ask either of them. Else का adjective है give me anything else. Adverb है you cannot do else. Conjunction है complete in the time else you shall be fixed. Okay? Next है few. Few का noun the few who were wounded were captured. Adjective है only few men came here to attend the meeting. Next है however का adverb है. However honest he may be, I will not trust him. Conjunction है, you have done nothing in the examination, however I shall promote you. Like है, noun, I shall never say his like again. Adjective है, they are sisters of like habits. And verb है, I like this. Preposition है, do not speak like that. Much है, noun का much needs improvement as yet. Adjective, he was much wealthy. Adverb, he was much pleased with my works. And adjective, near का, he was his near kinsman. Adverb है come near. Preposition, he came near his destination. Verb है we are nearing our destination. Next है none. None का pronoun है none of you will enter the hall. Conjunction है we are none the wiser in our time. Needs है noun की my needs are few. Verbs है he needs money for the poor. Okay? No. No है adjective I have no pen with me. Noun है I do not want to hear no. Adverb है he is no more in the world. One का है the little ones were crying for food. Pronoun है one must do one's duty. Adjective है will come here one day. Okay? Next only adjective is only child. Adverb है I can only help you. Conjunction है you may pass only follow my instructions. Next rounder noun है the plus fire 3 rounds of shoot. Adjective है you have one round table. Verb है the plus rounded the rope. And next preposition the earth moves round the sun. Okay, चलिए since है preposition I have not seen him since Monday. Conjunction I have not seen him since he left. And adverb है I have not seen him since. So adverb I is so angry. And conjunction it is begun to rain so we did not go. With that what is that noise? Pronoun है that is what I was asking. Conjunction है keep quiet that we mean here. Pronoun है dog that barks seldom bite. The article the cat ran very fast. Adverb है the more you have the more you desire. What's a pronoun? What is your name? And adjective है what noise is that? Interjection है what? Are you still unhappy? Why का है noun he was here a short while ago. Conjunction है you are gentle while your friend is rude. और adverb का है work while you work, play while you play. Now guys, this chapter will be completed and we do the practice time. Okay? Name the parts of the speech of the dart words in the following sentences. जैसे Kitty and the Patty went to school when they have was 6 years old. तो ये क्या हो गया? when क्या हो गया यहाँ पर? Conjunction. Okay? Yesterday, कल. Kimmy gave me a ripe mango. तो gave me a ripe mango. तो yesterday यहाँ पर कल आ रहा है. तो ये क्या बता रहा है? उसकी adjective बता रहा है. Okay? चलिए I want away and she, I और she क्या है यहाँ पर? Noun है. With her की okay? Noun. Okay? Now kids, left exercise you do yourself. Okay? Now kids, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood that. Thank you. Have a nice day.